Hey y'all, it's Nat. I am about to barbecue my ribs now. So I'm going to, of course, start my fire first. Son been using the grill but not putting no more charcoal in here. I wish my neighbor's dogs shut up. They always barking, I swear. I gotta be right back. I gotta go get the lighter. Okay. It is like 4 o'clock in the morning. That's why it looks so dark. I'm really not supposed to be barbecuing on my patio. Thank God no one has told on me yet. And hopefully they won't. Don't tell me my lighter not working anymore. Okay. It's not lighting like it's supposed to. So, just started my fire. So, as soon as the fire calms down, I will, of course, put the meat on the grill. Please ignore the dogs, because they just not gonna shut up. I'm not gonna say I'm the only one up. This is Vegas. Of course someone's up. But so I'm just gonna let that die down, and once it died down, I'll come back, I'll put the ribs on, and we'll go from there. So I'm about to put the meat on the grill. I'm thinking about making some macaroni tomorrow, so I might do that. I haven't had no macaroni this year. Oh shoot, I'm wasting it. Oh god. Put those little 2 pieces there. Now I'm thinking about making some macaroni. I kind of got a taste for it. I haven't had it this year. So, I didn't think it'll be like too much traffic coming through here. And I'm sitting right by the grill, which of course is too much. Okay. I don't know, maybe I should pull. Okay. So, I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna let you watch it cook or just come back when it's done. Because after I have it on the grill, because I don't want it burnt, dried out, I basically mostly cook it on the grill because I love the charcoal taste. It tastes better than putting it in the oven. So so what I'm going to do is just come back to the video and watch it cook on the other side. And once it's done, I will show you. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it in the oven because like I said, it's past 4 o'clock in the morning right now. And so I may not put it in the oven till later. Whatever I choose to do, I'll show you. All right. Okay, this is what the ribs are looking like so far. I did turn them over. Of course, they're still cooking. So, I will come back with the final product looks like. Don't seem like, maybe I'll move it this way. Because these little two right here, not cooking well, but this is what they're looking like so far after I turned them over. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so this is what the ribs look like. I'm about to take them off. The burnt parts is really the bones, so of course I'm not gonna worry about that. So I'm gonna go ahead, take it off, and I think I probably will put them in the oven for a little while. I'll get back with you later once I do the macaroni or whatever side I'm gonna cook. So I am going to cover the ribs with aluminum foil, put them in the oven, maybe 10 to 15 minutes.